Hello.
Hi.
Good morning, my dear student.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
How are you
Morning,
all?
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Hi.
How are you all?
Fine.
Fine.
Okay, thank you very much. I am also fine. Dear students, we are here again after 2 days. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for your attending this very virtual class. Actually, you know that all the education institutions are closed now for the important issue, that is COVID-19. That's why we have arranged this type of virtual class. I would like to welcome all the students who are here with me. Please welcome to my class now. Okay, dear student. Dear student. Here, I am with you. And Mustafizur Rahman, head teacher of KM Dottir Institution,
হেডফোন থাকতে তাহলে তো আমি ভালো
Bhotbari,
কিছু
Pirizpur.
বলে কি একটা হেডফোন কিনবো
Today I will share with you the class regarding English second paper. This class is applicable for class 8, 9 and 10. Okay, dear student. Are you ready to start this class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please try to sound. Dear student, already we have seen the screen. Today's lesson, that is narration.
Narration.
This is very much common issue. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All the young learners, you are here with me. Already you have learned many things regarding this very session, that is narration, because this event has been started from the class 8. Already you have learned something regarding narration in class 8, class 9 and class 10 also. I do believe that this is the last chance in your life to know the narration details, because in your public examination, that which will be started next year, in that very examination, actually these topics, this is the only class where you will again able to know something regarding this very matter. So today we will share our opinion, our experience, our feelings regarding narration and some rules of narration. I do believe that all the young learners, you are very well known the term of narration. Can you tell me what is the meaning of narration? Yes? So tell me what is the meaning of narration?
Ukti, sir.
Okay, the Bengali meaning we ukti, but what is the alternative name of narration? There is alternative name. There is alternative. Yes, thank you very much. We may call it speech. Do you know how many kinds of narration?
Sir, there are two kinds of narration.
Okay, such as? Yes? Yes, kinds of narration. There are only two kinds of narration, that is direct and another is indirect. This is very much a discussion of initial stage. Two types of narration, that is direct narration or direct speech, and another one is indirect narration or indirect speech. These two types of narration, this is very much known to you. Am I right? Please share with me. The student, there are some symptoms. Look at the narration, which one is direct and which one is indirect. I believe that all the students, you are very well with very much the topics of inverted comma. You should know that every direct speech or narration indicated with double inverted comma. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Not only this, there are some specific word, that is reporting verb, reporting speech, etc. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If you any problem or query, then you can share with me or ask me. I will try my level best to share with you the topics. Today, we will discuss regarding some basic rules of narration. The student, attention please and listen to me. Here, you are enjoying some rules from direct to indirect. There are some rules to solve the problem of direct to indirect. Some basic rules are written here. We will share our experience regarding these very rules. Number one, anyone may read it. I'd like to request Afia Jahan. Please read out the number one.
Inverted comma will be removed and all the sentences will be turned into assertive sentence.
Thank you very much. Have you heard and understood it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, fine. Actually, in the direct form, there will be inverted comma. But if we want to turn into indirect, then the inverted comma will be removed. The first basic rules of narration in order to solve direct to indirect. And second one, another one will answer, please. Read out second one. Another student I would like to request to read out the second one. Ishadhaniti, please read out the second rule. You heard me, Iti? Ishadhan Maliha, sorry. Please read out the second rule.
Reported speech will be added with reporting verb with the help of that, if, whether, to, etc.
Thank you very much. Actually, the second basic rule is reporting speech will be added with reporting verb with the help of sometimes that, sometimes if or whether, or sometimes to. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is the very much common rules of narration. Next, we'll see next page. This is rule number 3. Another one I'd like to request to read out the rule number 3. Another one. Ahmed Zulkarnain. Please read out it.
If the reporting verb is present or future tense, then there will be no sense of reported speech or verb.
Thank you very much. I do believe that this term is very much known to you. That is, if the reporting verb is present or future tense, then there will be no sense of reported speech verb. This is a very much clear indication to solve from direct to indirect. Now, rule number 4. Who will read out it? I would like to request another one to read out rule number 4. The student, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
I would like to request another one to read out the rule number 4.
If the reporting verb is past tense, then the verb of reported speech will change.
Very good. This is very much important rule for narration. That is, if the reporting verb is past tense, then the verb of reported speech will be changed according to tense. You should know that there are some basic things here. Actually, in English grammar, there are 12 kinds of tenses. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If the reported speech tense is present in indefinite tense, then it will be turned into, share with me. If the reporting verb is past form, then the present indefinite tense will be turned into past indefinite tense. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And number 2, that is, if the reported speech is present continuous tense, then it will be turned into past continuous tense. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If the reported speech tense is present perfect tense, then it will be turned into, share with me, dear student. Jarin Tasneem, share with me. If the reported speech is present indefinite tense, then the tense turn into Jarin, can you hear
স্যার
me?
শব্দ তো কিছু শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
স্যার অনেক এক্সট্রা সাউন্ড আসে।
জি স্যার শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
Oh, sorry, sound problem. Actually, there are some easy rules for turning to one tense to another tense. Tasneem, your phone may be unmute. If you want to answer, then you should mute it. Then share with me. Actually, the student, attention please and listen to me. Present indefinite tense will be turned into past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense will be turned into past continuous tense. Present perfect tenses will be turned into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense will be turned into past perfect continuous tense. At the same way, if the reported speech tense is past indefinite tense, then it will be turned into past perfect tense. If the reported speech tense is past continuous tense, then it will be turned into past perfect tense.
Perfect content.
But if there is past perfect and past continuous tense, actually there is no sense. Am I right?
Change. Yes, sir.
Not
Yes,
only
sir.
this, the student, there is some special word that will be turned into one to another. That is, if there is can, it will be turned into could. If there is shall,
Good.
it will be turned into should. If there is will, then it will be turned into would. If there is may, the word may will be turned into
Might.
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 Okay, right. This is the very much initial stage of solving narration. Before going to solve narration from direct to indirect, you, the all student, must have to know the basic rules. After knowing this, you should go ahead. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, student. Next, rule number 5. I would like to request another one, that is Afrin or Misty. Please read out rule number 5. Misty or Afrin, please read out rule number 5. Hello, do you hear me, Mr. Afrin?
The reporting verb is past tense. The reported
Hello,
जी sir.
just keep the call playing.
Hello. Sir,
Afrin or Misty, can you hear me?
শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
In order to hear me, you have to unmute your phone or device, then share with me. Without unmuting, there is no chance to share with me. Misty, your phone is unmute. Please mute it.
স্যার কিছুই তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
Okay, wait a bit.
স্যার কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
Most probably you are watching me now. Am I right? Okay, now you are watching. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone can read out the rule number 5? Anyone, please read out it.
আমি তো কিছু দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
স্যার কিছুই তো দেখা যায় না।
কি স্যার?
Oh, sorry. Wait a bit, please. I'm trying to go back or can you see me now?
জি স্যার।
Okay. This is rule number 5. Can you see it?
স্যার আমি তো দেখতেছি না।
Oh,
আমি কিছু দেখতে না।
স্যার কিছুই দেখতে পারতেছি না।
স্যার কন্টেন্ট দেখা যায় না।
we are trying to show it. Wait a bit. Content দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
অজান্তা
আসিয়া মিউট করা।
Okay, student. Can you hear it? See it now?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes sir.
This is rule number 5. Now I would like to request another one. Read out the rule number 5, please. Anyone can read out, please.
If
Sorry,
the reporting
can you hear
verb
me?
is past tense, yes sir.
Yes.
করবো।
Yes.
If the reporting verb is past tense, but reported speech remains universe truth or habitual fact, then there will be no change of tense.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much. You understand it?
Thank you, sir.
If the reporting verb is past tense, but reported speech remains universal truth or habitual fact, then there will be no change of tense. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
if the reporting verb is past tense, the whole reported speech will be changed from one to another. But if the universal truth speech is universal truth or habitual fact, then there will be no change of tense. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
yes
Okay,
sir
next point. Rule number 6. Now another one will read out rule number 6, please. There are some closed word which will be turned into one to another. That is, this will be turned into that, and this will be turned into those.
Those.
That will be turned into so.
so
Now will be turned into then.
then
There will be turned into there.
there
There.
Come will be turned into go.
go
Today will be turned into that day.
that day
Day.
Tomorrow will be turned into
The next
the
day.
next day
next word.
Or,
Following
or
day.
the following
the
day.
following day
The word yesterday will be turned into
the previous day
the previous day.
the
Or
last
the day
one.
before. The
The
previous
last night
Last
will
night.
be turned
The
into
previous night.
The previous
I
night.
believe that all the students, you are very, very well known with this very term. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Just I am revising it. Next point. Rule number 7. I would like to another one to read the rule number 7. Actually, I am unable to read out the all names of participants because you are using mobile set number. If you use your personal name, then I can ask you to by calling name. But there are some set number. That is why I am unable to call you. So I would like to request another one Parthapotim Kulu. Do you hear me, Parthapotim Kulu? Answer me. Hello, Parthapotim. Sorry,
Sir, Partho may
your
be
phone
unmute
is
করতে পারছে, sir.
unmute. Please mute first, then talk with me. Parthapotim Kulu.
Ji sir.
Okay, now please read out rule number 7. Parthapotim, please read out rule number 7.
Subject and object are changed into first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb.
Yes.
Second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb.
Yes.
Third person has no sense.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Dear student, I do believe that you are very, very well known with this very term. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yes,
first
sir.
person will be changed according to the
Yes,
subject of
sir.
reporting verb. Second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. And third person, there is no sense. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ahmed Zulkarnain, have you any problem? Please,
No, sir.
Ahmed Zulkarnain.
No, sir.
You have raised your hand.
No, sir.
That's why I have asked you. Okay. Next page. Student, this is the basic rules. Generally, if you want to solve from direct to indirect, but you should know that before solving narration from direct to indirect, you have some
Sir.
knowledge before. That is,
Sir.
all the students you must have to know that.
কিছু দেখা যায় না।
Now we are sharing our opinions. Do you see me? আমাকে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছো?
Ji sir.
Okay. Now we will sharing.
স্যার
share.
আপনাকে দেখা যাচ্ছে কিন্তু কম্পিউটারে
Already I have stopped content. Now we will share our opinion verbally. Okay. The student, actually, if you want to solve narration from direct to indirect, you must have to remain some knowledge regarding tenses. All the students must have to know all kinds of tenses from present indefinite tense to future perfect continuous tense. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So there is no chance to solve from direct to indirect without the knowledge of tenses. Not only this, the students must have to have knowledge of all kinds of sentence. That is assertive sentence, integrative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Am I right?
Yes,
You
sir.
must have to gather these kinds of sentences. Then you should go ahead to solve direct to indirect. Not only this, you have the knowledge of three kinds of person. That is first person, second person, third person. Not only this, you the students, you must have the knowledge of parts of speech in order to solve from direct to indirect. When you will able to gather all types of knowledge, then you should solve it. Actually, in our exam sheet, exam question paper, there is a passage narration. Actually, before going to solve passage narration, you must have to know the basic rules of narration. After acquiring the basic rules of narration, then you should go ahead to solve the passage narration. In your exam hall,